Hi everyone! Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will be talking about the various lesser-known departments aboard a U.S. Navy aircraft carrier. Please remember to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get right into it. Fact 1. Dental Department. Aboard aircraft carriers, the dental department plays a vital role in ensuring the health and well-being of the ship's crew. This department is a self-contained unit, independent from the medical department, and is equipped to provide a full suite of dental care and operations. Carriers deploy for extended periods at sea, and maintaining the dental health of the crew is essential for operational readiness. The dental department is staffed with skilled dentists, dental hygienists, and support personnel who are capable of performing routine checkups, cleanings, and more complex dental procedures. In addition to preventive care, the dental department can handle emergency dental issues, which can be crucial when the ship is far from shore-based medical facilities. They can perform tooth extractions, root canals, and other necessary procedures to address dental emergencies promptly. Alright! Let's get into the next fact. Fact 2. Administrative Department. The administrative department of an aircraft carrier plays a pivotal role in ensuring the smooth functioning of the ship's administrative and support services. This multifaceted department manages an array of critical functions necessary for maintaining order, morale, and effective communication on board. One of the primary responsibilities of the administrative department is managing administrative data and paperwork. This includes the processing of personnel records, correspondence, and other official documentation that keeps the ship's operations in compliance with regulations and policies. In addition to these administrative duties, the department oversees various services that enhance the quality of life for the ship's crew. This role is crucial for maintaining public relations and ensuring transparency. Alright! Let's get into the next fact. Fact 3. Chaplain Department. The chaplain department aboard aircraft carriers holds a profound and multifaceted role dedicated to promoting the spiritual, religious, and personal well-being of embarked military personnel. This department is essential for fostering the mental and emotional resilience of the crew during extended deployments. At the heart of its mission is the care of the crew's spiritual and religious needs. The Chaplain Corps provides an inclusive environment, ensuring that service members of all faiths have access to religious services, counseling, and support. This inclusivity extends to military personnel and their dependents, emphasizing the Chaplain Corps' commitment to serving the entire military community. Beyond religious services, the Chaplain Department serves as a lifeline to families back home. They coordinate emergency communications with organizations like the American Red Cross, ensuring that critical news reaches the crew promptly, particularly in times of personal crises. One of their most vital functions is pastoral care and counseling. The chaplains offer a confidential and compassionate ear to sailors facing personal challenges, helping them navigate the unique stressors of military life. Alright! Let's get into the next fact. Fact 4. Supply Department. The supply department of an aircraft carrier is a vital and multifaceted component responsible for ensuring the well-being, comfort, and operational readiness of the ship's crew. This department plays a pivotal role in running various essential services on board. Most people would associate the department with maintaining an inventory of spare parts for ship and aircraft repairs. This ensures that necessary equipment is readily available for maintenance and repair tasks, contributing to the ship's operational readiness. However, there is more. At the heart of its responsibilities is feeding the ship's crew. The supply department operates the ship's galley, preparing and serving meals to thousands of sailors daily. They meticulously plan menus, manage food inventory, and ensure that everyone on board is well fed, a critical aspect of maintaining morale and performance. All right. Let's get into the next and final fact. Maintenance Management Department. The Maintenance Management Department is a critical component of an aircraft carrier's operational readiness, tasked with meticulously planning, scheduling, and coordinating maintenance activities. This department plays an indispensable role in ensuring the ship's long-term health and its ability to carry out missions effectively. One of its primary responsibilities is overseeing off-ship maintenance, which includes repairs conducted at shipyards or dry docks. This entails organizing complex overhauls and refits, involving the inspection and refurbishment of critical systems and components. These efforts are essential to extend the carrier's operational lifespan and maintain its cutting-edge capabilities. In addition to off-ship maintenance, the department manages planned organic maintenance ship-wide. This includes routine inspections, servicing, and repairs conducted on the carrier while it remains operational. This proactive approach minimizes the risk of unexpected breakdowns and ensures that the ship is always mission-ready. The Maintenance Management Department relies on a meticulously crafted schedule to ensure that maintenance activities do not disrupt the carrier's operational commitments. Effective coordination with other shipboard departments and external agencies is essential to maximize efficiency and minimize downtime. In summary, the Maintenance Management Department is the linchpin of an aircraft carrier's long-term operational success. All right, that is it for the video today. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. See you next time.